The contract was awarded to Beerenberg in June 2023. During the last year, over 12,000 engineering hours has gone into the planning of the project. This work has consisted of 3D scanning of the whole area, 3D modeling of all the flare towers, piping design, structural calculations, and in general all planning needed for executing the project safely and efficiently. All the new steam pipes was produced according to our designs by the local company Fabtech. All the engineering has been done with time optimization as a key factor. For the execution phase, there has been mobilized 150 highly trained climbers to Kårstø. During a very short period of time, they have been destructing over 600 meters of piping, installing over 700 meters of new insulated steam pipes, 3 flare tips replaced with helicopter by HeliSwiss International, 1 flare tip changed by deassembling the whole flare stack using an advanced winch system, over 300 meters of new cable and cable trays installed by BEA. It has been a very successful project with high dedication and HSE focus from everyone. Beerenberg has, together with Vertical Services, BEA and our client Equinor, really been one team.